Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can send DMs on Twitter or X. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open X app, or you can say Twitter. So let me search. So here you can see. Let me open. So click on X. So once you are on X, so here you can see different people. So let's suppose I want to send this person a message. You simply need to open that, and here you can see a message icon. So click on that, click on got it, and here you can see because you are not verified. So because that person only receive message from verified. So let me find another person. So let's suppose we are going to select this one, and here you can see this icon. So you simply need to click on that, and here you can see that this also allow message from only verified people. So we are going to find, okay, so this one. So basically more peoples are here you can see set up privacy to receive message from verified only, but you simply need to find your friend and you can send your message to your friend. Let's suppose I think, okay, but that girl also. So basically you simply need to click on this and you can send a message, and let me show you how you can set this privacy. You simply need to click on your profile picture, scroll down, click on settings and support, click on settings and privacy, click on privacy and safety, and here you can see direct messages. So here you can see allow message request from, if you want from no one, so you simply need to select no one. If you want from verified user, you simply need to select that, and if you want from everyone, you simply need to select that. So most people select this option, that is verified users. So that's why I am unable to send message, but that is a process that you use to send people a message. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.